In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can rotate your video clip in Capcut. So the first thing, you have to identify the position or the place where you want your video to rotate. So this will be my start point. So once you have identified the position, go ahead and tap on the clip. And now we shall have a keyframe feature, which is this. So go ahead and tap on it. And then go ahead and identify the end point for your rotation. For instance, I want it at the end here. And then go ahead and add another keyframe. Now try and rotate your video. And that is it. So now let's go ahead and play it and see if that has been applied. Now look at that. Great. So that's how you add rotation on your video clip in Capcut. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.